Makhanas are an amazing snack that you can offer to your children. It is a great finger food as well. Now I have added sesame here, which is an ideal ingredient to be used during winter because it is calcium rich. It keeps infections at bay. It helps keep your skin and hair healthy. Now I have taken makhana in a pan. I added ghee and roasted it until it was crispier and crunchier like this. Take it out to a plate. In the same pan, add sesame seeds and just roast it for a minute. And then now I'm adding jaggery. Once it melts a bit, add in cinnamon powder. And here goes in the roasted makhana. Give it a quick mix and then take it out to a plate. You don't have to heat it at all. Then you can see it is sticking to each other. Let it cool down and then you can separate them and offer it to your child. My children love it. I store it in airtight container for a week. It stays good. You can also try. Your comments matter a lot. Let me know how you like this recipe. I will keep sharing more.